Soi Fabulous TV, you already know.
Here with Papito, we have a big crowd here tonight. How does that feel?
I love the support that everybody gives me here in New York City. I got the new Ese Soy Yo, the video. You came out in it, right?
I love that video. I look fabulous.
This is the new sound of New York.
What's up, y'all? This is your man George Lamont right here at the R Bar, and you're watching Soi Fabulous TV.
We're here with the fabulous George Lamont.
I worked with Miguel when we did Ya Lo Sé Que Tú Te Vas. Miguel was always someone who was pushing the envelope. Tonight was his showcase of different songs. I did Ella, which I love. We're actually working on a new sound. It's salsa, but mixed with a little bit of cumbia.
I came out here because Miguel Bonilla hit me up on Facebook, and then once I saw your poster on there, I was like, I have to come.
She told me we went to school together.
And I enjoyed watching you during the freestyle days. It made me proud.
And it was great seeing you.
Thank you.
Fraga, and you're watching Soi Fabulous TV. Paso Focate.
We're here with Fragancia, formerly of DLG. How did you feel tonight?
Emotional, the energy, the people, the crowd, it was really good. When you put together so many people at the same time, with good vibes, this is what's happened. We have a new album, it's called So Fuck It. Listen, stay focused, be a better person, and love yourself. The rest, so fuck it, like my album.
This is ZEITLIN and you are watching Soi Fabulous TV.
Fabulous ZEITLIN, girlfriend, you rocked the stage.
The energy, the New York vibe, it was fantastic. I had a great time.
Can you show them your rings?
This is the fabulousness, darling. Bonilla's style is definitely unique and one of a kind. I'm very, very, very privileged to be here and be part of this project.
It's definitely the New York sound.
Yes,
Very different and fabulous.
Yes, darling. Fabulous is like an attitude, is confidence, is assurance.
I'm Chica and I'm with Soi Fabulous TV.
Fabulous Chica.
I'm looking to make the big move to Miami to work with more tropical artists. It's hard for a female being in this type of industry.
You have all that fabulous sexiness.
I rap in English and Spanish. I write for other singers. I write for other rappers. I write salsa, hip-hop,
She's fabulous.
merengue, Tex-Mex. The word fabulous entails hair and shoes. That's fabulous.
Is the new son of New York.
You're watching SoiFabulous TV.